Hello everyone, welcome to In My Physio channel. So today we discuss about a concentric exercise versus eccentric exercise, or we can say isotonic and isometric exercise difference. So the isotonic exercise have two types, that means a concentric and eccentric. Isotonic means tones remain same but length is getting changed. So it has two types, concentric and eccentric. First we discuss about the concentric and eccentric difference. So concentric means when muscle is contracted isotonically with increase in the muscle length, it is known as concentric exercise. That means there is some increase in the muscle length isotonically, that is known as a concentric. And eccentric means when muscle is in the contracted stage isotonically with decrease in the muscle length is known as eccentric exercise. Then movement is in the direction of muscle pull, that is concentric, and eccentric movement is in the opposite direction to the force. Concentric means towards the center and eccentric means away from the center. And this type of muscle work is high in concentric and eccentric muscle work is low. Example, during biceps muscle contraction during elbow flexion, that type of exercise is concentric and elbow extension in eccentric. Next we discuss about isometric or static contraction. So isometric, that means there is no change in muscle length, but muscle force is equal to the resistance and tension is increased. So isotonic contraction and isometric contraction difference. Isotonic means muscle gets shortened against load and muscle does not shorten in isometric. Second, shorten against fixed load but contract against force without shortening, that happen in isometric. Involve joint movement in isotonic but does not involve joint movement in isometric exercise. Work is done in isotonic, no work is done in isometric. More heat release in isotonic exercise, and it has two types, concentric and eccentric. But in isometric there is less heat release and there is no type present. Example of isotonic, it pulls the forearm upward to cause flexion of elbow, that means it is a concentric, and it lowering of forearm and controls extension of elbow, that is eccentric. Example of isometric, that is biceps brachii develops tension and stay in the same length, it stops the flexion and extension of the elbow. So there is no joint movement happen in isometric. So this is the difference of isometric and isotonic, and the concentric and eccentric, which are types of isotonic. Thank you.